What's going on, guys? I'm gonna go over a new tool I got today, and this will just be kind of the introduction to this, and then after I use it for a while, leave comments if you got any questions, if you're looking at this a year from now or whatever, and I'll let you know what I think about it. But I think most people that watch my channel are more the do-it-yourselfer kind of person. That's a kind of a crafty person or something like that. The Dremel tool, which I think most of y'all would be familiar with, this is the Craftsman version. I've had this, no joke, probably 15 years, and it's still in really, really good condition. It still has the original brushes in there, never changed those out. The only thing I did different was I bought one of these flex shafts for it. If you want one of these for your Dremel tool, I'll see if I can put a link in the description. But basically all you do is you stick that on there. There we go. Now, at one point this had a little hook that you could hang on something, but over the years I lost it. But now you have this little flex shaft that you can get into different spots and all that stuff. Now this one is a Dremel flex shaft. Let's see if there's a shows a model 225. Can you see that? And it fits all those different kinds. You can see it. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you think all you'll need is this. But it's been great. Just to change out the workpiece that you have in there, you can hold that button till it locks in, and you can loosen that up, pull it out, put your new one in there, and you're good to go. But works really good. And as you know, there are so many different attachments, from grinding wheels to polishing wheels. Here's just a few that I have. They even have the little cut-off wheels. Some of it comes with polishing compound. These little nylon brushes. Little sanding disc. All kinds of stuff. You even have a little bit better fiber disc for cutting metal and stuff. But obviously the grinding stones. As well as this little assortment here. That's not good for grinding aluminum. It kind of gums it up. But again, little wire wheels and nylon wheels. You have these little deburr type tools, which are awesome. And again, you have some of these little polishing discs and stuff. And you have other kits like this. I think this is a Harbor Freight too. I don't remember. But this was filled with stuff. But you have drill bits. These are like some polishing. Before you start polishing, I guess, grinding stones. You have different collets up here. And again, the different stones for cutting, and 180 grit, 240 grit, and what is that? 320 grit. Sanding discs, different size, drum sanders. Again, you have these little polishing wheels and all that. I got this back from the fire. I hadn't even opened it yet. These were all in their organized and everything. I guess they dropped it. Even if they dropped it, it shouldn't be all like that. But normally these all stick in there and they're all real nice and just pull it out, whatever you want. But these are diamond coated bits, which is great for metal. You probably do wood, probably stone or marble or something like that. I'm probably sure you can probably use it for that. But again, they have a whole bunch of different ones. And again, I think they just threw it all in there. It kicks me off. But yeah, we got this back from the fire. If you haven't seen our fire video, I have a series. We had a house fire. And, well, I'm still going through some of my stuff that I haven't got back. And here's another one. It's kind of the same thing, except they're smaller. And the thing is with these is that you can get a whole set like this pretty cheap. I'll probably put some links on where to get these if you're interested in these too. So this kind of isn't what the video is about. It's kind of just an introduction. I've been using this for years and years. And so I thought it'd be a good time to upgrade. I already opened this. It had this inside. But this is the Harbor Freight Flex Shaft Grinder, Carver, whatever. Obviously you can read that. It's a lot like the Foredom. The Foredom is like, I guess probably the name brand of this. They go for, I think like 300 bucks or something. It's pretty expensive, maybe 250 or something. I don't remember. I'll try to put in the comments as of, what's today? January 26, 2018. I'll kind of put what I see prices going for. But they're pretty expensive. Now in general, Chicago Electric, Harbor Freight, it's a hit or miss. There's, you know, obviously these little consumable parts that I got from them. They're great. It's something you're going to go through. They're pretty cheap. I have not had good luck with any of the Harbor Freight motors. Whenever I had the DeWalt 4.5 inch angle grinder, and I was sharpening the blade on the brush hog, and I sharpened it up and everything, and put it down and left it under there and forgot about it. I don't know what happened. Anyways, I came back out to check and make sure the vibration that I didn't, you know, whatever. Anyway, so I turned the brush hog on and it destroyed the DeWalt. So that was $100 and something bucks, and I didn't have at the time, but I had a project coming up, so I bought a Harbor Freight angle grinder. They're like $10 one or $15 one or whatever it was. It lasted me 30 minutes and the brushes burned up. So I'm really leery about the Harbor Freight electric motor stuff. And again, you may have had good luck with it, but I'm just going off of what I know. So this is what comes with it. This is basically a bigger version of the Dremel. So you can see all that. 120 volts, 60 hertz, quarter horsepower, 15,000 RPM. It has the 5 3/4 inch chuck flex shaft. It does have a pretty decent little hanger. So you can kind of feel this. It's definitely cheap. I don't know what kind of plastic that is. My name's not Ave. He'd be able to tell you what this is, but it's, I don't know. It's pretty cheap stuff, you can tell. The shaft itself, this flexible shaft, feels kind of like a PVC, but it has good flexibility in it. You know, it it doesn't seem to bind up or not want to unwind or whatever. So we'll see the longevity of that. There is no on-off switch on this. If you just plug it into the wall, it's on. Pull it out, it unplugs. But fortunately, they give you a pedal. The pedal plugs into the wall. Your flex shaft plugs into here. And then you have a variable speed pedal. This feels really chintzy too. I don't know how long that'll hold up. But even if you step on the corner, either corner, it still goes down. That would have been my concern, is that whenever you step on the corner that it maybe bind and twist and not come down smoothly, but so far so good. It's got little tiny rubber feet. I don't know how well that'll do on concrete, and the cords, they don't feel, they feel cheap, but we'll see how long it lasts. Now here's the business end. Now if you actually get the Foredom one, they have different heads. You just pull it out like that, and you can put on different heads. There's a little keyway here, you can see that, and there's a keyway down in there, and just line it up and show it in. But they have some of these that have a quick change. You can switch a lever over, pull your bit out, put the new one in, switch it back over, and you're done. You don't have to worry about the keyway. Oh, something else. I was looking at some reviews, and they are saying that this gets really hot, but they say to take the end off and give it a spin, and let's see, it spins really smooth. There's no play in it anywhere. So this head seems like a pretty good little head. But again, they have different heads that you can put on there. Like I said, the quick change. They have one that has like a belt sander attachment on it. They have another one that I think it's like a grinder or something. I don't remember. But they have some that's kind of long and skinny, so you can get in more refined areas. But we'll use this for now and see how that works. So here's your manual it comes with. It does come with a hanger, which is alright, that's cool. We'll hang it up. It does come with extra brushes, and it does come with a key for your chuck, your Jacob's chuck. So here's your hanger. I'll just put that, drill it into the wall. There's 2 screws, and it even comes with the 2 screws, so that's cool. And then your hook that it hangs on. Again, there's the brushes and the screws that it comes with for the hanger deal. So cool. Isn't that cute? Just adorable, huh? Little key for you. And obviously that'll just fit in here like so. Now on the Foredom, the actual one, I'm pretty sure it has a reverse switch, which would come in great for something like this. You could just put in reverse, hit the pedal, the variable speed pedal, and loosen this up to however big you need. Something that I am noticing is this is kind of sharp here. Not too sharp, but again, noticeably sharp. Might want to file that down. Yeah, so, okay, got all that hooked up. I'll tighten it down. It's tight. Let's see. We're not going to hang this up. It gives you a pretty decent amount of cord. So you have that. So you have that length, and then you also have this length of cord as well. So if you really need to stretch it, you can stretch it. Got it plugged in. Now I'm assuming this is probably going to torque. We'll that was something else that they said too, is that they don't want you to bend this more than 90 degrees. So since this is kind of breaking in per se, we'll do it like this. See how slow we can do it. Pretty slow. Give it a little bit more. And you can see how true it's running. It doesn't look like there's a lot of run out. If I do like this, if it does work out that this works for a good long time, I probably will wind up getting the quick change, because changing bits on this is going to be a pain in the butt. I can already tell that. But I can put this, I can build a clamp that I can put onto the lathe if I need to use it that way. I think that'd be good. So I got this for, I think, $49, something like that. So not too bad, considering whenever you buy the original Dremel, they're close to that price anyways. So we'll see. This is just a heavier duty. It's funny whenever you say it's Harbor Freight and it's more heavy duty than a name brand item, but it's a bigger motor and all that stuff. So we'll see. We'll see the longevity of this and see how well it works. I haven't put any kind of torque on this, but I know with the Dremel it would take quite a bit of torque anyways in and of itself. So with this 1/4 horsepower, 15,000 RPM motor, it should be able to handle a whole lot more than that one would. Oh, don't forget, I have a Facebook page now. So if you want to, if you got questions or whatever, just hang out and chat. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. So that's the end of this. Again, it's the Flex Shaft Grinder Carver, item 40432. Kind of a open box review. Again, I haven't used it with anything, so I don't know the torque or nothing like that. And obviously I don't know the longevity of it as well. But again, if you're watching this a couple years from now, leave me a comment. I'll tell you one way or the other. Again, I bought this out of my own money, so I can say whatever I want to about it. Alright, so that's the unboxing item 40432 of the Flex Shaft Grinder Carver. Basically kind of a multi-tool. Y'all comment, rate. We'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.